Welcome. In this video, I want to talk about searching and creating collections so that you can create a resource pack such as a webinar, a report, affirmations, and checklists. And this pack will be a complete pack for your clients. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a topic called mindset. And I'm just going to search here and I'm going to set this to all types because I want to find everything. And it now tells me I have 1,534 brandable coaching resources for mindset. So I'm going to start off looking at reports here. And I'm going to right click, open this link in a new tab. And I'm going to see what type of reports are available. Now, since there are 25 reports for mindset, I think I'm going to filter this by present moment mindset because this is something that I want to deal with now with my clients. And I see I have two reports here, develop a present moment mindset. I'm going to add both of these reports to a new collection. So I'm going to call this mindset product and I'm going to click on create. I add that in, I go to the same one here, mindset product, and now I close off this window and I go back and I want to make sure that there is a checklist for my mindset product. So I open this up in a new window. I'm just going to click on this show more here. And I think I will have a look at habits and confidence and self-esteem. So what I'm doing here is I've done a search and now I'm refining that search by different categories. So 31 strategies to strengthen your self-confidence. I think that will be very good. I also think, I think all of these are going to be perfect because I'm not sure how my product is going to pan out just yet, but I'm going to have as many resources as I can. So let me go back and I'm going to choose some action guides here. And I'm just opening these in new tabs because it just makes it a little bit easier to go back to that search result once I've finished. So present moment mindset, I click on that. I see I have two action guides. So again, I'm going to add those into my collection. Now at this point, really what I'm doing is I'm just amassing as many resources as I can. And then at a later stage, I'm going to start to pare it down into the exact resources that I want. So let's add a couple of checklists in here and let me see. Eliminating bad habits, I think that will come in very useful as well into my mindset. Expanding your comfort zone as well. This is could be a good sort of byproduct. And how to achieve balance in your life. Mindset products. Now, what I want to do is I want to get people interested in this topic. So I may decide to send out some warm-up emails. I may decide to create some articles for my blog. And I think I can get everything I need from the articles section. So I'm going to refilter by present moment mindset. And I actually have 4 articles, so that's perfect. So I think I'm going to add all of these into my mindset product. And as I said, I can use these articles on my blog. I could record a podcast, or I could break them up and use them as emails. And this is to get people interested in the program I'm putting together. I'm going to have a look at fact sheets here and see what is of interest here, because when I'm presenting a product, if I can give a fact sheet, it really helps sort of solidify the knowledge and it makes me more of an authority. So I'm going to take this Stop Sabotaging Weight Loss fact sheet because I think there could be some quite interesting information that I can repackage. Body image fact sheet, that could tie in with mindset with confidence. And finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a slide deck presentation. So let me just see if this fits into my needs. 25 ways to expand your mind. I think it could, and I'm going to add that. Now, let's see what I have in my collection. So if I go up to the top here and I go to my account, I can click on my collections. And if I click on show more here on the left hand side, I have my 17 items for my mindset product. And now what I can do is I can start looking through each of those items and downloading what I require. Now you'll see that it might be, if I have 17 items, this could be about 34 credits to download. But that's 34 credits to build a whole product and to build a webinar or a seminar around it. So as you can see, by effectively searching and by creating collections, you can start to build up some powerful products and have powerful ideas that you can then come in and decide how to use this to build a life-changing resource.